Welcome to our guide on how to be successful on YouTube. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your channel to the next level, we've got you covered with all the tips and tricks you need. First, let's dive into the basics. Define your niche, research your audience, and create a solid content strategy. Remember to invest in quality equipment, optimize your channel, and produce high-quality content that resonates with your viewers. Engage with your audience, collaborate with others, and promote your channel to reach a wider audience. Don't forget to optimize for search, create eye-catching thumbnails, and use calls to action to keep your viewers engaged. Now, let's explore some lesser-known strategies. Study your competitors, experiment with different content formats, and create evergreen content that stands the test of time. Optimize your video length, encourage subscriptions, and build a strong brand identity that sets you apart from the rest. Utilize YouTube features, network with other creators, and stay updated with the latest trends to stay ahead of the game. But wait, there's more. Cross-promote your content, engage with trends, and create compelling titles and descriptions that grab attention. Utilize YouTube Shorts and Stories, collaborate with influencers and brands, and attend industry events to expand your network. Optimize your channel for mobile, engage with YouTube communities, and consider investing in paid advertising to boost your reach. Remember to create compelling channel trailers, monitor and respond to analytics, and optimize your channel for accessibility to ensure a seamless viewing experience for all. Build relationships with your audience, stay informed about YouTube policies and updates, and always strive to improve and evolve your content. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to success on YouTube. Follow these tips, stay persistent, and watch your channel grow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos.